Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna take a look at our js-techtrading watch list again. So we go to stock screener and I have saved now this screen templates. Let's look at the filters very quickly now. So we're looking for common stocks, ETFs. We are trading on the platform TradeGate. And the others, no, the other qualifiers are key elements of Mark Minervini's trends template, so that we make sure we only trade stocks or ETFs in a so-called confirmed phase two uptrend. So as we do that, we're gonna have 18 matches. Just mark these and copy them and add them to our watch list here now for the further screening. Let's just look at that. Now in our trading view template here, we have a number of moving averages. We have the Bollinger Bands, now very important. We have the volume. We have Mark Minervini's trend template criteria. Now, this is a free indicator that you can add to your chart. We have the IBDRS strength lines. Now, this light line here is for the 3 months, the 6 month, and the 12-month periods. This compares the relative strength against the S&P 500. So what that means, if we consider the last 6 months and it would show a 100, the relative strength would be exactly the same as the S&P 500. So what we're looking for is we're looking for high momentum stocks or ETFs, which have relative strength lines above 100. Then we have the stochastic RSI lines, which indicates an overbought or oversold condition. Oversold condition always is when the two lines are below this blue area here. That's helpful because we're looking for pullback entries in oversold positions, which provide us with lower risk trades. Okay, so actually Amazon is already part of our portfolio, as is Covestro. Covestro, you could. No, this is still okay. Relative strength is good. We have 7 of 8 Minervini trend template criteria are met, so we mark that. Nice. Look, watching out for now. This is not yet not in an oversold position any longer. This ALV is also in our portfolio now. It had some nice gains over the last couple of days now, so it's no longer really oversold. So we're gonna skip that. Skip that. Okay, that's an interesting one here. It's Intel. This is not oversold with regards to these indicators, but it has a nice relative strength performance. 7 out of the 8 Minervini indicators are being met. It does have a nice consolidation period here. It's in an early phase 2 uptrend now. The moving average lines are just getting into the right order over the last 2 months or so. That looks good. It had a shakeout here, a significant pullback under moderate volume. That's always important. And now it's consolidating here again. So you could let's mark that, despite the fact that it's no longer, so to say, oversold position according to the stochastic RSIs. But we could consider to open a position if the price goes through the high of yesterday's price action. Let's also check now, always check the distance to the 50-day moving average. This is below 5%. That is still good. Yeah. So we have, it's a small number, but we have 2 stocks on our watch list for today. Let's set an alarm here. Consider to open a position now whenever these alarms are being triggered. Overall, the watch list, now we can do some more analysis. Let's look at that. It's nicely distributed across sectors and also across the industries. Now, so we have a well diversified watch list here, which is good. We can also, of course, now we can not just look at the technicals by clicking the symbol here. We can look at the financial metrics as well. So what I normally look at is just revenue, net income, and profit margin. So for INL, profit margin dropped, like for many other companies and industries now in the current global business downturn. But overall, the multi-year performance looks reasonably stable. The same here now. Covestro even could increase their revenue over the last 2 or 3 years. Profit margin is down within the current business downturn, but that's kind of okay. So also the financials look reasonably good. So that's what we're going to work with today. Now it's a small number. We only will consider to open additional trades for INL and Covestro in case these alarms are triggered. Let's also take a quick look at our current portfolio, if there are any red flags now. That's looking good. HCI is looking good. Fresenius now, it's still looking good because this pullback here, with one exception, is under light volume. So that looks good. Traders who do not have opened this position yet could certainly consider opening an additional trades or a new trades once the price action goes through yesterday's high. That's not a red flag either. We are in. That looks good. No red flag. I have marked this earlier, and that is because now we had a pullback under high volume. That's not good. So we're gonna see now. Let's set an alarm here. We're gonna close the position in case the low of yesterday is undercut. Yeah. This is a red flag in our portfolio. It's looking good. We just opened those. All of these look good. The new trades all look good, and we actually have Covestro now on the watch list to either add to the trade in case you already have an open position, or open a new position in case you do not have that yet. Okay, hope this was helpful, and let's see what this new trading day brings for us today.